At the water park. Gonna get some better footage finally. Maybe. Try to creep down here without going tumbling. It's pretty steep. I should actually come down here and be ready to catch it. Just in case. Then we're going to try to turn around and go right back up. Steer. The batteries are running a bit low. I haven't charged them since the last time I drove. Not sure how we can get up here. Here, drag brake on, 70% max throttle right here. Thank you. That'll come tumbling down the hill in any minute. Alright, on to the next obstacle. Gotta watch my own step here. I think I might be able to creep this line if I'm very careful without sending 32 pounds tumbling into my own feet. Going out on a stretcher here though. Alright. Fit underneath there. Nope, I can't. Come on, please. get over where it's shallow enough we can get in some water. Can't come to the river and not do a little bit of river water run. It's pretty flowing pretty fast right there though. Shallower up there. Gotta find a way over there. Wife right there. The knick-knack. Hi, Lady Lou. My doggy. Puppy doggy. Don't know that we can navigate that one spot there, but we're gonna try. Wet tires means a lot less grip. And it gets pretty deep right over next to it, so I don't want to lose my truck. I can't believe it's going. Bad knee. Does not like that. Just stuck here. On that rock right there. Gonna help it out. It's so heavy, you guys, I could barely pull it out of there without falling in the water. Going in. Those are wet shoes. Oh, let's keep going with the truck anyways. If I have to recover it now, it'll be a lot easier. Let's get you some zoom. Fell in again on the way out here. Oh well. Get into some deeper pools, see what it can do. Oh yeah, no problem. Excellent terrain. Apologize for the bad video. That's me walking through the water. It's getting deep here. See if we can find some deep. Water, folks. Where'd it go? Where'd your truck go? Oh, yeah. So cool. That's cool. Into the deep. Are we gonna have to go swimming? Oh yeah, that ain't making it. Holy crap. Oh, so awesome. I'm sorry, even I'm impressed. Not sure how we're getting around here. A little tall to get over. I have to just lift it over. Alright, it's still running. Mama wants to go home. Say hi! That'll get me some views. Put that on the home screen. So then, yeah, we're heading home, folks. I'm gonna drive you up on I can't believe it went for such a swim. And it's still ticking. Put her down because you're giving her a reason to be scared. He's gonna leave her alone. Big puppy dogs leave her alone. She lets him know. I know. It's been a lot of work. She did great. Big my ankle on the way on here. Tough little exchange right there. Muddy wet tires. Stuck on everything now. Can't get out of Dodge. Don't want me to leave. Not sure I can get underneath that log there. Get up and out. More of a hill than it looks like. Gonna go into 100% throttle. Gonna give a little shot of this crazy incline, but I don't think we can make it. And I think I'm gonna be catching a face full of truck. I can barely walk up it, you guys. Conquered it! Look at that! Conquered that! Come on, lady! Let's go! Come on! Can you do it? Can you do it? She's like, Daddy, that wasn't that much of a hill, to be quite honest. Even Mama can do it. And she doesn't do much. I mean, she works hard, we love her, but you know what I mean. Alright, this truck is official. It's made it. Driving itself to the car. You saw it. That's not just all the beans at the home trail. That's all the beans at the river. Scrim Falls, Quarry River. Don't sound good, but it is still cooking. Close your eyes to keep up with it. That just sounds like a bad bearing, to be honest. Yours are good. Alright, place the bearing. Boom, boom. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.